The discoveries made by NASA's Kepler mission shook our understanding of the cosmos. It revealed that within our galaxy alone, there could be billions of planets capable of supporting life. And when we remember that there are at least 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe, the possibility of life beyond Earth seems almost certain. To explore this mystery, the most ambitious alien search so far, the Breakthrough Listen project, was launched. Over the last 9 years, researchers studied 97 galaxies and analyzed more than 6 million radio signals. The big question is, did we finally detect evidence of another intelligent civilization? Surprisingly, after examining billions of stars and countless solar systems, the result was the same: silence. Once again, humanity was left with the feeling that perhaps we are alone. But another mystery appeared. How was it even possible for this mission, starting only in 2015, to study so many galaxies and stars in less than a decade? What technology could make this possible? These questions aren't just fascinating. They're necessary, because they lead us to deeper puzzles. How did life first begin on Earth? Could an alien civilization one day threaten our planet? And what exactly are scientists looking for when they hunt for life? The search for extraterrestrial life didn't begin yesterday. Back in the 1960s, scientists asked a simple but difficult question: where do we even start? Their strategy was clear. First, locate planets in the habitable zone, the region around a star where liquid water could exist. Next, search for biosignatures, molecules that usually arise only from living organisms. One such compound is dimethyl sulfide, which on Earth is almost entirely produced by marine algae. Its detection on a distant world could hint strongly at life. Decades later, the Kepler telescope, alongside missions like Corot and Gaia, identified thousands of exoplanets. And recently, in a major breakthrough, traces of dimethyl sulfide were reported in the atmosphere of an exoplanet named K218b. At first glance, this seemed like proof of alien life. The planet's atmosphere contained carbon dioxide, methane, and small amounts of dimethyl sulfide, all similar to Earth. But there's a catch. Dimethyl sulfide can also be created in labs through simple chemical reactions, meaning its presence doesn't guarantee biology. The mystery remains unsolved. While biosignatures give one path, scientists also developed another, searching for technosignatures, signals of advanced technology. Just as our own radios, satellites, and cell towers leak radio waves into space, alien civilizations might leave behind similar traces. That's why, in 2015, Stephen Hawking, Frank Drake, and Yuri Milner launched the Breakthrough Listen project to scan the stars for such signals. They began with the center of the Milky Way, where the oldest stars, and therefore potentially the oldest civilizations, are found. But the problem was huge. How do you separate natural cosmic signals from artificial ones? After years of filtering and studying, scientists found 11 unusual signals, but none could be confirmed as alien. So they scaled up. Instead of studying a handful of stars, they expanded to entire galaxies. Using the powerful Green Bank telescope in the US, they collected an incredible 1,440 terabytes of data, the equivalent of over 11,000 USB drives full. Sophisticated software filtered the signals using the Doppler shift effect, narrowing down 6 million potential signals to just 1,519 candidates. For a moment, it looked like history was about to be rewritten. But when the team checked further, every single one of those signals turned out to be human-made interference. Mobile phones, satellites, and radio towers here on Earth had fooled the system. So After years of searching across 97 galaxies, not one confirmed alien signal was found. And yet, this failure teaches us something profound. Life as we know it is unimaginably rare and precious. Out of billions of stars and planets, we still haven't found another Earth-like civilization, which means our short existence, our fleeting 70 or 80 years of consciousness, is more valuable than we realize. Science often advances through failure. The light bulb took hundreds of failed attempts. Early computers looked like toys compared to the smartphones in our hands today. What matters is not failing, but learning, improving, and trying again. That is the essence of a scientific mindset, and a winning mindset. So maybe we didn't find aliens this time, but the search continues. And one day, perhaps, humanity will detect a signal that proves we are not alone in this vast universe. Until then, the biggest lesson is clear. Cherish the miracle of life we already have.